Let's say that your QRadar CE detects that there's some flows or some traffic to locations that are not good at all. I have any one of these IPs, they have bad reputation, and the offenses in QRadar, when QNI detected the flows, fire an offenses. And you want to block any traffic coming and going into these IPs. Well, you need to work in two places. First one is on the one side. This is obviously the internet facing side. You need to put a rule. Let me actually edit it for you to see the details. I'm blocking any protocol. You can restrict that to TCP IP, TCP only. I will go with any. And you need to say when the source, I mean that thing on the outside, tries to come anywhere, either through the secure or insecure side of my network, just block that thing. And this rule will do that. However, remember, the LAN is the insecure network, OPT is the secure one, and this is part of the pfSense video series. However, in here, you need to also, if you were to put just that rule alone, and you were to do a ping of this particular address that we are blocking there, you will get response back. Why? Well, because you need to go, and by the way, this computer where I'm doing this test is in the secure network in OPT1. And the reason is, if you don't have any one of these rules, then the first and only rule that will get evaluated is this one, which is which allows traffic from OPT to the other networks. And you will be able from the inside to ping and to communicate with that address. However, if you put a rule like this one, which is just reads like that, you block any traffic, and you put that the destination going from the secure network to this one is what you actually want to block. Then when you do the ping, it will fail. So by putting those two rules, you have assured yourself that you have blocked any communication with any IP that you don't want to do business with.